Hold on, I need to sneeze. I can sneeze though. Oh god. There you go. I don't know, okay, I don't know much. Oh, by the way, like speaking of sneezes, I can actually trigger a sneeze. Do you guys believe me when I say I can trigger a sneeze? Let me do it. Hold on. Let me try. I don't think it's healthy, but whatever. Bless your ass. I used to be able to do this a lot when I was like in high school. Let me see if I can still do it. It's been a while since I did it. Oh god. It's basically me tickling the inside of my nose with oh god. Oh dear. Oh god. Oh god. Oh man. Oh dear. Oh god. It's a bit hard. It's kind of hard to do it. Oh god. Why am I crying? It's kind of hard to do it. It's been a while since I did this, but I can. Oh god. Oh god. There you go. There you go. See, I can trigger a sneeze. Oh god, my nose. It's my special skill, I tell you. It's a special talent of me. I need to go to America's Got Talent and sneeze on command. Oh dear. I am clipping that in the picture. But yeah, anyways, what's this?